Okay, product research. So everyone gets a list like this one, right? And then we open up the Amazon link and your supplier link. This one's gonna be fun because now, and then from here you go to your settings, right? And then you go to additional cost. So let me see. We're using a new prep center, so I'm gonna adjust this one. Let me charge
For
$1.
seller app, do I pay for that now or wait till I get the prep center?
You can pay for it now. It's like 20 bucks.
Seller app.
Yeah, selleramp.com, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So selleramp.com.
Okay.
Yeah. So they charge, so it gets cheaper as you go higher in units, right? But they're charging about $1.65 per unit. So on your seller amp, you're gonna put $1.65. Let's see. So $1.06, so 2.65, right? 2.65 as your prep cost, because we're paying $1 to Amazon, right? To ship to Amazon, and $1.65 for your prep. You guys got it? So 265 here, and then here's gonna be 0 now. Because we're using a tax-free state.
Okay, Luis, so we gotta go back to seller amp and set this up.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So your prep fee is now $2.65. And your taxes is now 0 because we're shipping to Oregon, which is a tax-free state. Was that clear? Got it, guys?
Yes.
Then save.
But real quick question though, Louis. So
Uh-huh.
on the taxes, if you buy it from another state to ship it there, then you're still going to have to pay taxes.
You mean on your income tax? What do you mean?
Yeah, I thought the 10% was like a state tax thing.
No, that's sales tax.
No, the sales tax was usually like every state is different, right? So, okay, let's say that I purchase it from Illinois because I can't find it in Oregon.
No, but you're shipping it to Oregon though.
So that percentage is based on the shipments. I'm kind of confused about that.
Yeah, it's based on your it's like where you ship it. Yeah, it's based on your shipping address or zip code.
So, yeah, okay, I get it. That makes sense. Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah. So again, $1 for shipping to Amazon and $1.65, right, for prep cost. And 0% here because we're shipping to Oregon. And save.
Let me ask you something, Luis.
Uh-huh.
So you're talking about when you're buying from the supplier, we won't be paying taxes or what type of taxes? Yeah, because now I got confused too.
No, if you're shipping to Oregon, it's a tax-free state as far as sales tax.
Sales
Oh,
tax on what?
On the product.
Shipping?
No, on the product.
I don't think so because okay, so if I buy something from Walmart, we'll just say here, okay, and we have 10%, I still have to pay that 10% on the product, even if I'm shipping it to Oregon, right? Because
yes.
Oregon, if I bought it from Oregon, then I wouldn't have the shipping or the sales taxes. And that's how I look at it. I don't know, I'm confused.
No, you don't. If you're shipping it to Oregon, you don't. It's 0%.
Wow, I didn't realize that. Okay.
Yeah, that's why we're picking a tax-free state prep center.
Okay, I got this. So it doesn't matter that I live in Illinois. It just matters where I'm shipping it to.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we won't be paying any sales taxes on our orders now. That's what you're talking about, right?
Yeah, no, you don't.
That's a huge savings right there.
That's why.
That is huge.
Exactly.
That is huge.
Yeah, they charge a little
Ah,
more for prep.
okay.
They charge like $1.65, right? But
Right,
then you're saving 10% on your full order.
right.
Yeah, and that's why Oregon prep centers are very popular and you're always booked.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. So
So
now
they
you're
got
getting a higher
they
ROI, right?
attack. Yeah, yeah, okay, got it. I got it now. Okay.
That's why it's gonna be easier for us now because now we're just have more margins. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. So yeah, so now this is set up. You would double check your products if they match. So you look at the title, descriptions, packaging. See, Tampax, Pearl, triple pack, tampons. Regular super sweet green. It's the same. Different packaging, right?
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks the same, but the package is off. Kinda.
But I'm questioning it again. Does it really matter if the packaging is different?
If someone's,
No, as long as the products are the same.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the same, right? 34. Yeah. So the same?
to me, it is, yes.
So it's 30 sales a month. ROI is 53%. Really high, right? But low sales a month. And then if you look at the other sellers, I mean, it's pretty decent too, as far as other sellers. Look at Keepa. Throwing my Keepa. Keepa's logged out. It's pretty stable as far as pricing. Would you guys do it?
I'd go for it.
I would.
Yeah, 30 sales a month with this much sellers, with this much inventory, right?
Yeah.
If you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See the chat. So Will said yes.
I say yes.
Elaine said yes. Marcelo is a yes, right? Yes. Brandy is a yes.
Right.
So yeah, I agree. This is a pretty good product. Low sales a month, not the best, but then ROI is really high. And then as far as competition, there's only 6 sellers here with about 9 in inventory, right?
Right.
So yes. Next. Yeah, so for Tyson and Carolyn, might not make sense right now, but it's gonna make sense.
Right, 'cause I'm all over, I'm like, wow.
Huh?
You saying, oh, because there's only 6 people selling it, it's a good product to sell?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just a blank canvas. I haven't done any online sales ever. So
Oh, okay, nice.
yeah, I'm just taking it in.
Yeah, this might sound, I guess foreign, but it's gonna make sense.
Absolutely.
All right, next product. So Atkins, Indulge Treat, chocolate peanut candies. Indulge Treat, chocolate peanut candies. Okay. So 5 bags of 1.2 ounce each per pack. So 5 count. Chocolate peanut candies. Same, right? 3 net carb. It's not the same. So packaging is different. So this one is saying 150 calories, right? This one is not. So 1 gram carb. Oh, this one is 0 gram sugar. You guys see it?
Mhm.
So 1 gram carb. This one is 0 gram carb. Sheesh. Not the same, right?
No,
But it's only 1 gram.
Yeah.
Does it matter? This is crazy.
Yes, it does.
It does?
I would not. Yeah, I wouldn't do it.
I wouldn't do it.
All right, skip it. The products don't match. Skip products do not match.